Are you about to give up on Forex trading? Are you one of those guys who is struggling getting their stop loss hit all the time? Guys, you are not alone. We are together in this. Now, I know that it is really a difficult thing to talk about, but guys, losing in trading is a real thing and it affects so many traders. And if you're one of those traders who is about to give up on Forex trading, guys, do not give up until you've watched this video until the very end, guys. Don't give up Forex trading yet. I am a testimony to the fact that Forex trading can be a very lucrative venture. Now, when I started trading about 2.5 to 3 years ago, it was quite a difficult thing for me. I was taking trades and having my stop loss hit all the time, maybe 90% of the time. And I would wonder within myself, how do these guys who are making money on Instagram, on Telegram, on YouTube, how do they do it? How do they find support levels? How do they find resistance levels? And it was something that seemed to be almost like rocket science to me. And I was wondering in my heart how I can be able to achieve this kind of success. And I went on monk mode, what people call monk mode. And I would look at the charts every day up to almost 4 a.m. Guys, it became a very dangerous habit to me. I had no sleep, okay? I had sleep, but not enough sleep, okay? Because I really loved and I really wanted to get to know how to trade profitably. It was over a long period of time, maybe let's say the first 6 to 8 months of consistently losing. I would win some trades and just 1 or 2 losses would come up and take all of my winnings, all my profits back into the market. And I started to ask myself a question, how can I maintain the wins or the profits that I make? And that is when it dawned on me one time, that securing profits while you are trading is actually what people would call the holy grail of trading. There are actually 2 things that you would term the holy grail of trading. The first thing that you term as a holy grail of trading is your stop loss. There is nothing better than a stop loss in trading. Nothing. Because a stop loss can stop your account from blowing. Okay? It can stop or prevent or delay your account from blowing. It can help you preserve your capital for you to be able to trade another day. It can help you to trail into profits because a take profit cannot trail a loss. It only trails into profit. But a stop loss can protect you from losing your account fully, and it can also secure or lock in profits for you. So there is nothing better than a stop loss in trading. The second thing that is really good or that you would consider as a holy grail within trading is securing your profits and making withdrawals of your profits. Now, I've heard people saying, when you make profit, leave it there to keep on compounding. Now, I get it. I get why people would say that. Okay? I do get why people would say that. But to me, the wise thing to do is not to leave your money exposed within the market. What you would do is take some bits of money out of the market as you are trading. That will help with your psychology. It will help you to improve on your trading. Yes, I know that you may not become profitable by just taking out money from the market, but the very fact that you are taking out some money shows that there is a benefit to your trading. Okay? There's a benefit that you're getting from your trading. So that is one thing that dawned on me and helped me within my trading to remain consistent and remain also trading Forex, because there are times when you lose consistent, like for a week, you can lose 5 days in a week. You can even have like a losing streak, like where you lose like constantly, like for 2 to 3 weeks. And one thing that protects you from losing completely or losing or becoming insane is having a stop loss. Because if you're losing, say, if you have $100 and you're risking 5% of your account, that is $5. It takes you 20 trades which means you will have to trade for the entire month every day and losing every single day for you to blow $100. That's the importance of a stop loss. Now, you can lose consistently for 2 weeks. Okay? You can lose consistently for 2 weeks. Then on the last 2 weeks of the month, you win consistently and become profitable. You can recover all those trades. So using a stop loss is something that dawned on me to really put into my trading to help me succeed and help me not give up trading. So if you're thinking about giving up trading and it's really difficult for you right now, I understand it, I get it, but please don't give up trading until you have done these two things that I've told you. Use a stop loss in your trading, you with of course a good risk to reward ratio, or use good risk management. Use 5% or whatever. Okay, don't overtrade, but use a stop loss so that you don't blow your account instantly. I've seen guys blowing accounts. People like trading NFP and they go all in and they end up blowing their accounts. But if you really want to survive the pain of blowing an account, use a stop loss that is appropriate to your account. The next thing, withdraw your money. When you make $10, $20, we on a $100 account, if you make $20, withdraw $10. Go buy yourself a good meal, okay? Go buy yourself a shirt. In Africa, you can buy a very nice shirt at $10, okay? Buy something tangible with your money. In that way, if you lose the next trade, okay, you will not be hurt so much because you say, oh, last time I bought myself a shirt. You get? So even if you end up blowing the $100, you will still say to yourself, no, I still have something physical that I bought with the money that I made from the Forex market using the $100 that I deposited there. So that helps you with your psychology and it helps you not to give up on Forex trading. But if you're leaving your money there and it is being blown all of the time, you put it there, that will come to haunt you because you'll start to think of the things that you could have done with that money that you did not do. So try as much as you can to use whatever profit that you get from the Forex market to do something for yourself. Guys, don't want to take the video too long or make it too long. If you like such content, guys, and it's the first time on this channel, I do a lot of Forex videos, psychology videos, trading videos, price action videos, whatever. I do all that here on this channel. And guys, we are on the road to 5K subscribers. I would really appreciate it, guys, if you just hit that subscribe button, guys. Hit the like button so that YouTube can recommend this video to many more people, many traders like you. And also, comment down below so that we can have some engagement in the comment section down below. Also, guys, don't forget to follow the links that are in the description down below. Go and join my free Telegram. Follow me on Instagram. And also, if you don't have a broker that you are trading with, use the links that are in the description down below. You'll get 2 brokers that I recommend. Very good spreads. No problem at all. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace and out.